How to share channel joining link in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact simple steps on how you can share your channel joining link with other people so that they can also be a part of your Teams channel. So in order to start, the first thing that we'll be going to do is simply open up our Teams application, and once the Teams application opens up, you'll need to click onto this communities tab over the left hand side. Now, once you click onto the communities, you will be able to access all of your communities and the respective channels that you are a part of. So as you can see, I am part of two communities, namely Wisdom and YouTube. And let's say I want to share the access of this random channel one that I have created right here. So in order to share its access using a link, I'll first click onto the channel name. And once I'll do this, I can see this button appearing right here over the messages area. So I can simply click onto this share join link, and once I do this, you can see that the join link has been successfully copied to my clipboard, and I can paste it in any chat as I want, either in Teams or at some other place. And I can simply share this particular joining link, and anyone will be able to join this Teams channel. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.